Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing? Happy Friday. What we have here is another one of the Vienna art plates. And this one is from the Gordon Sherry company, DUFF Gordon Sherry company. So again, this would have been a plate. We've had it framed that would have been used for some type of advertisement, either on a wall. I don't think they'd actually use the plate, but more designed for advertising. Great content in here. You got everybody tasting the sherry and enjoying it. You see all kinds of different emblems and logos around there depicting the vineyard that made the sherry. And just take a look here. You can see the back of it, which is the explanation of it. And as you can see, we put it into a vintage frame. So if you're into any kind of very cool booze advertising or just want some great artwork for your collection, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.